Hey guys, welcome back. Tell you what, got a special little treat for you guys. Got some Korean style short ribs, which is ribs cut across the cross section of the ribs. Some people call them flanken cut or flanken style short ribs. But I picked up some of these guys the other day and I cannot wait to bring it to you. I'm gonna go inside here and get these marinated. I actually should have done this last night, but hey, we're still gonna have about 4 or 5 hours of marinade time, so it should be good. Guys, let's go inside and get these things marinated and get them in the fridge and get her going. Guys, check out these little cuts right here. You can see you got little pieces of bone. I don't know if you can see that running up through there where it's been cut across the rib. Just gonna get these guys in here. This is about, it's a little over 2 pounds. We keeping it simple around here. You guys know that. They're cut real thin, so it'll be a real fast cook when we get her on there. Okay, for our marinade, I'm just using some of this Lawry's. It's the Korean style barbecue marinade. I actually bought this to do a wing cook off camera, and that cook never happened. So these short ribs get the treat on this one, guys. I don't think we'll need it all, but alright, get all that mixed in there. Got every piece coated. Okay guys, this is going in the fridge, marinate, probably about 4 hours, maybe 5 hours, and we'll get that grill fired up and we'll get her going. I think we're gonna let our little grease fire burn off a minute. Love it. Self-cleaning. Alright, put this on here. Let's let this come up to temp. Went ahead and turned my grates a different direction. The way I'm gonna lay out these short ribs, I think they'll lay on the grates a little bit better this way. Alright, I'm calling it time. I'll probably have to do this in more than one batch, just for the amount that we got here. That's okay. It's gonna grill pretty quick. Look at this, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful marinade all over it. We've marinated for about 5 hours. We'll grill that for just a few minutes. Hey guys, we've been about 3 minutes, probably too long. Get these guys a flip. Would you look at that, guys? Would you look at that? Perfect. This bad boy over here. And just because I can, I'm going to throw one more on here. Look at there. Perfect. If you look at there. Oh, that looks great, guys. I'm going to pull these over indirect for a few. We're going to glaze these. them out here. Everything looks delicious. Yeah, let's pull these over here on the indirect. It's looking fabulous. Look at that. Get that a little bit of sear. I'm gonna flip this guy. Get these over here and get some glaze on them. I'll let that guy finish off. Alright guys, I don't know if this is just some, from my local store, Meijer, some Korean barbecue style. It's actually wing sauce. I told you early in the video that I was originally going to do wings with this, but hey, we're doing some Korean style ribs with it tonight. Let's just give these guys a little bit. I don't want to put too much on here. I think we are there. Let me go ahead and glaze that. While we're here, let's get a few more on here cooking. Oh, that's gonna do us good. Right here, that's gonna finish us up. Perfect. Okay, did I mention that this was a really fast cook? I'm gonna flip these guys over and glaze them on the other side. While we're here, I'm gonna flip these guys. Oh yeah. You could smell this, folks. Give these guys a little glaze. Hey guys, I'm gonna be back in about 3 or 4 minutes, and we're gonna pull these off and get these glazing. All right guys, let's get this one off of here. I'm gonna go ahead and get my family started. And I will come out and finish these guys off, and we'll come back and we'll do a taste test, okay? Did you guys look at that? Wow, look at them. Cooked to perfection. Full disclosure, this was supposed to be white rice. At the last minute, I realized we did not have any white rice. So, we just got a little chicken and broccoli and rice that we found in the cabinet. So, guys, look at this. Here's how you eat this. Pull this bone out. Kind of messy. All right, let's get a bite of this. Tear this off. You can use a knife and fork if you want. Let's get a bite of that. All right, guys, this is beautiful. Smells delicious. I didn't add any smoke to this. I really kind of wanted the flavors of the sauces, the marinade, even though it's store-bought, which I do a lot of this stuff, guys. Wanted to give this a try. That is beef rib meat. I love it. I'll take it any day over the pork. Thanks so much, everybody. I do appreciate this. Y'all tuning in to me every single week. Those of you that come back week to week, I do appreciate you. And those who don't, who want to see more of us, this is your first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. So guys, till next time, guys, God bless you. Bye-bye.